Today, we're exploring an essential component of your car's engine, the oil filter. We'll explore what it does, why it's crucial, and when you should think about changing it. But before we continue, hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to know when a video drops. Let's get started. First, what exactly does an oil filter do? Many car owners might need to pay more attention to technicians' advice to change the oil filter regularly despite its crucial role. If the oil filter is in poor condition, it should be addressed immediately. Oil's primary function is generally to lubricate all parts of the engine. To ensure optimal vehicle maintenance, it's important to understand the various functions of the oil filter and recognize when it needs to be replaced. Let us start by knowing what the functions of oil filters are. Number 1. Filter the impurities. The primary purpose of the oil filter is to eliminate impurities and debris from the engine oil. As the oil moves through the engine, it collects dirt, metal particles, and other impurities its operation generates. The oil filter traps these contaminants to prevent them from damaging the engine's internal components. Number 2. Car engine component maintenance. The oil filter plays a crucial role in maintaining the cleanliness of your engine by treating various components. If the oil filter is damaged, it won't filter out dirt effectively, leading to contaminants entering the engine. This can cause rapid engine damage and significantly impair the motor's performance. To prevent this, ensure you regularly maintain your oil filter to keep it in good condition, thereby protecting the other components of your vehicle. Number 3. Optimize oil performance. The car engine fluid must be distributed efficiently to maintain the vehicle's condition. A malfunctioning oil filter can severely impact the car's performance, causing it to operate improperly. Damaged engine parts will wear out rapidly due to increased friction. Incomplete combustion can negatively affect the engine, leading to faster breakdowns. How to maintain the oil filter? Maintaining your oil filter is straightforward but crucial. Here are some tips. Number 1. Clean regularly. Since the oil filter is designed to capture impurities, it will accumulate dirt over time. When servicing your car, ensure a professional technician cleans the oil filter to remove any buildup. This maintenance will help the filter function effectively. Aim to have the oil filter cleaned once a month to maintain optimal performance. Number 2. Change oil regularly. The type of oil needed for a car engine varies depending on the vehicle. Different oils are used for the oil sump and others for the area near the valve cover. The oil filter can be made from metal, paper, or fiber. Drivers should regularly clean the oil filter and change the oil. Old oil can impair the lubrication process and cause the engine to wear out more quickly due to its reduced quality. Number 3. Change the oil filter. The last essential maintenance is changing the oil filter regularly. If it can no longer be cleaned using clean air, you need to replace it with a new one. The oil filter will generally be damaged quickly due to wear and tear. If the car is often used for long trips, it will be damaged more quickly. Make sure you change the oil filter as soon as possible so it can function correctly. But how do you know when to change your oil filter? Here are a few signs to watch for. Number 1. Lowering oil pressure. If you notice a drop in oil pressure, it suggests an issue with your car engine. Low oil pressure can result from a leaking oil filter or a blockage that prevents oil from circulating correctly within the engine. Number 2. Engine overheat. An oil filter in poor condition will obstruct the proper flow of oil to the engine. With reduced oil reaching the engine, friction will increase, leading to engine overheating. Number 3. Decreased engine performance. When contaminants accumulate because of a malfunctioning oil filter, engine performance significantly deteriorates, leading to a notable reduction in car power. This decline in engine performance can prevent the driver from reaching the desired speed. Number 4. Metal friction sounds. A clogged oil filter will reduce the oil supply to the engine and will make engine components not work properly. Reduced oil supply will usually cause metal friction, and this condition will greatly interfere with your driving comfort. Number 5. Exhaust smoke looks dirty. If exhaust smoke appears dirty or unusually colored, it may indicate that the oil filter is clogged or malfunctioning. A faulty oil filter can lead to contaminants entering the engine, causing poor combustion and resulting in dirty exhaust smoke. Changing the oil filter can help resolve this issue and restore proper engine function. To sum up, the engine oil filter plays a vital role in keeping your engine clean and running efficiently. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of the oil filter will help extend the life of your engine and improve overall performance. There you have it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car maintenance tips. Drive safely and see you in the next video.